Hi, I'm Kurt, and this is our Liberty half round machine we're going to show you today. This is equipped with our reverse bead rollers so that you can use painted one-side coils. So we're going to thread the machine through and explain the machine to you as we go. At the entrance of the machine, we'll clip the front corners. Then over on this side we have the jog, an emergency button, and over on this side of the machine we have the shaft that we have the hand crank that we put in there, and we use that hand crank to initially feed the coil. Okay. Now this is a guide rod right here. These two sides, this side and that side, hold your material in center. Now we have marked right in here 1 inch and 9/16 is what this should be for your front bead. If you want to adjust that, you can put the hand crank on this side, loosen this nut there, and you can crank it on its threads back and forth. But your starting position for this is 1 9/16 inches. Okay, so that's the one adjustment we've made at your factory, and we've set what it is at the factory. When we feed the material through and put the hand crank on, you can watch as we do it. It'll go down, and you have to put it down to the urethane roller and crank the handle. As it comes in, you just push down, make sure that it's feeding underneath those, and it slides among the rails as we crank it in. It goes to this guide roller, that's to help keep it straight, and you crank it up until the first drive rollers. Now, as you keep some pressure on this, you hit the jog button. Just there. Now we can take the crank off because it's feeding into there. Now we can jog it through, and it goes through the rollers and begins to put a bend on it. Now right here is very critical. As we bend it through, you want a lip right there, 3/16, no more than 1/4. If you have too much lip in there, it'll put too much pressure and you won't be able to feed it through. Now we'll just jog it through. Okay, gradually feed the material through. There's a bit coming out the edge here. Now, these are guide rollers right in the end, and with these you can guide your material in or out to open it up more or less. And we have these adjusted to where they work best with this particular aluminum. Now, once you have it jogged through, you can use the forward and reverse switch here and the on button to run it through, and then you just squeeze that a little bit to get it through those rollers. Now, this is a saw table that is made and designed for a DeWalt 872 saw, and we use that for cut-off saw.